How to find your draft post on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to do this, you need to open your Facebook application on your iPhone or Android device, log into your account, and on the Facebook homepage, tap on what's on your mind in the top of the screen. Then go ahead and create a post that you want. Simply try to discard this post, and then you'll get three different options of save as draft, discard post, and continue editing. Tap on save as draft. Now, what Facebook does is it does not give you the specific option or section where you can find your drafts. But if you tap on this, what's on your mind again, it will display the same post that you saved as draft. Now you can continue editing or you can discard this post as you like, and you'll be done. So therefore, Facebook saves your draft post until you manually remove them. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.